when you're drawing a 2-point perspective outside, exterior. So you're outside, you want the street, you have to start with the 2 points. And then from there, you can start with the corner of your building. So instead of drawing a rectangle or a square like we did in 1 point, you start with just one line. And the top and bottom of that line go to both vanishing points. And then you get to determine how wide that building is. So all 3 of the vertical lines are completely parallel. And then you can go back and erase the dotted lines. And you can continue to build on and add in other buildings from there. I'll change color to make it easier to see. So again, the top and bottom are going to go to each vanishing point. And the vertical lines are completely parallel. Let's see if we can draw that back in for you. And then to do the street, I'll make the street black. You determine how big you want that street to be, where you want the sidewalk to be. And then the dashed and dotted lines actually get smaller as they go back and bigger as they get closer to you. And you can go in and add in many more buildings that you want. They can be shorter. They don't have to be that tall. But the thing to remember is that if it's below the horizon line, when this line comes down below the horizon line right here, you're not going to see the bottom of that box. If I had drawn the box up here, then you would end up seeing the bottom of this box, like that. And same thing, if I had a box down here in the street, like a car, for instance, you're going to end up seeing the top of the box, top of the car. And you can go, I'll make my car have wheels. Okay, so that's how you draw the 2-point perspective exterior. If you wanted to do windows, sorry, one last thing. The side of the building determines the angle of the windows. If it's on the left, they angle down to the left vanishing point. If they're on the right, they angle down to the right vanishing point. That's all.